Welcome to Blackboard 9.1 training, discussion boards. Discussion boards allow groups or individuals to asynchronously discuss topics of mutual interest. There are three parts to a discussion board: forums, threads, and posts. Forums are generally based on a theme chosen by the instructor. Threads are discussion questions related to that theme. Posts are replies to threads or responses to other posts. Discussion ensues as members of the discussion read and respond to threads and posts within a forum. Click Discussion Boards on your course menu. As you will note, the first time you use the discussion board, you will have no forums. Click Create Forum. In the forum, and then fill out the description section. While writing the description, it's a good idea to set ground rules, such as expectations for grammar and spelling, length of response, etiquette, or a minimum quantity of postings per forum or thread. Scroll down to Availability. By default, the Yes box is checked. However, if you want to create a forum at the beginning of the semester to be used later in the semester, you can click No, or click the Display After and Display Until features. For Display After, click the calendar to set the Display After date, and the clock to display the time. For Display Until, click the calendar and the time when the forum will no longer be displayed. Let's look at forum settings. By default, anonymous posts, allow author to delete post, allow author to edit post, and allow post tagging are unchecked. It is recommended that these remain unchecked. Some of the other features you may want to check are: allow members to reply with quote will allow members to quote the post of another person in the reply. Allowing file attachments will allow users to add documents, images, or other types of file attachments to their post. Allowing members to create new threads, you may want to leave this one unchecked, as the instructor should generate the first thread and initial threads to keep the forum focused. Allowing members to rate posts activates a 1 to 5 star rating system, which may be used to elicit peer feedback. Forced moderation of post. Please leave this box unchecked, as it will require the instructor or designated manager to review and approve every post. This will significantly slow down the pace of the discussion board. If you want to grade the forum, click Grade Forum and put in points possible. This will allow you to grade the forum through the Grade Center. Click Submit. Click Create. Click Thread. Click Create Thread. Give the subject of the thread a title and type in the message. Remember, this is the topic for the discussion. Scroll down and note that you can attach files, videos, or audio. Click Submit. Now that the thread is started, we can post to that thread. Click the link for the thread, scroll down, and click Reply. Again, the subject and the response. Attach files if necessary. Click Submit. When you're finished reviewing threads and posts, click OK. This returns you to the thread. By the way, you can have multiple threads. And click OK again to return to the discussion board.